Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix any vocal problems that you might be having in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can see all the trending videos right here, all the posts by other users and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to fix any vocal problems that we might be having when creating our tracks. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click the plus button right here at the bottom part of the screen. In the middle, click the plus button. That's going to open up this new menu where you can get started with importing files for your tracks. You can get started with recording your voice and audio and so on. So basically guys, let's say we want to click on voice and audio, and now we are recording our voice. So there are a couple of options that we can try for fixing any vocal problems. Basically guys, all of the time it's going to be from our end. Bandlab has implemented some fixes that have turned the latency down to 0. So if our voice isn't sounding good, or it is delayed or something similar, it's always mostly up to us. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your internet connection is good. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or a good 4G internet connection. That's going to reduce any problems you might be having with your vocals. After you that guys, you want to make sure that the microphone on the studio gear that you're using, either your phone or your microphone, your headset, whatever you might be wanting to use, you might want to make sure that it's all correct and that it's not broken, because that can be one of the problems as well. As you can see, here is a headset icon that we can click next to out the page. That's going to enable us to monitor ourselves when recording, so you want to use that as well. If all is correct guys and your Bluetooth latency is to minimum and everything looks good, then it's going to record normally, but it's always mostly up to your end, as Bandlab doesn't have latency issues within itself. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.